Hello and welcome to this micro lesson on how to make a character sprint within Unreal Engine. So I have fired up a basic template for a third-person character, and I'm just going to add in a sprint functionality to this guy here. Okay, so at the moment he moves like this, and I want to add in a sprint on the shift button. So first thing I'm going to do is highlight him, press Control and E to open up the blueprint, and we got the blueprint here. Now I'm going to make it work on the shift button, so I'm going to right hand click and search for key left shift, and when we push it down he's going to sprint, and when we release it he's going to go back to normal. So what I will do is I'm going to pull off of the first thing is I need the character movement, because this it controls all of the different speeds. So just by changing some of the settings here, we'll be able to alter the speed that he can move at. Now there's two speeds that we want to change, and that is max walk speed and acceleration. So I'm going to drag off here and I'm going to go set max walk speed, and I'm going to drag off again and I'm going to go set acceleration, set max acceleration. I'm going to connect these two up, and I'm going to duplicate them down here. So I'm pressing Control C and then Control V, and I'm going to plug that into the release. I also need to connect up the character movement to the second pins. So to start with, if we look at this, you can see that the default value is 600. So when pressed, I'm going to want to increase that. So I'm going to set this to 2500. You can set it to anything. I just want it to be really clear what the change is. Also the max acceleration, you can see it's at 2000, so I'm going to make that 10,000. Right, and now when we release we want to set it back, but in order to make this clear the change, I'm going to actually drop these down, and I'm going to create a very slow character. Okay, I'm also going to change the defaults in the character movement to 200. So if I've got max walk speed, I'm going to make that 200. Max acceleration, I'm going to make that 200 as well. Okay, so now if I save and we run in, you're going to see that he moves very slowly until I hold down shift, and then he runs incredibly fast. So that is your very basic sprint functionality.